Right, this is my Napoleon mantle clock that I've got to give a good service to. Not in bad condition, to be honest. If I show you the dongle, you'll hear the dongle might go off. I'll just show you. It's really dirty. So well, look, about 10 minutes later. You hear that donging noise, that's me, the dongle ain't right, so I'll check that now. Put it to the back. Just pause the video. Show you the back closer. As you can see now, a dongle should sound nice, a dong, and carry on. Now listen to this one. This is outright, look, listen. Hear that? So I have to just do it myself, just. Can you see the difference now? How it's just ringing now. You should want to put the pendulum on with these dongles. What you do, pull that out of the way, get the pendulum. I'm not gonna run it because it's in a poor condition. So I'm sure, I don't know if you can see it. So we can get the light on better. Right. See the say going pen, it's got a curve it. So let's take the pendulum off. Maybe you can see it there, look. Filthy. It's all filthy, look underneath there, look. Top one there, if I get my screwdriver out. There, look. There, look, there. It's filthy. That's filthy. There's a bit of dirt on that one, so I'll take it all out. Clean it up. That's how you want it to sound. So we can get a close picture, show you. See, it's that one there, look. I'll show you everything out of the way so you can see. Yeah, that's filthy. It's all cleaning. I put it in the cleaner, get it all clean. I'll show you the front. I'll put the key in. So the first thing I'll do is with any clock, check. Now we can see the see, that's turning easy, look, it's turning easy. But when you come to the chime, it's fully wound up. So I'll wind that down, so when I take it out, I'll release the spring and all of them. So I'm going to take the clock out now. I'll show you how to take the clock out. Take the clock out. I always have a tub and to put your stuff in. So sometimes it's a screw thing like that, or it's a pin. Majority of the time, it's mainly screws on these. You get the odd pin, just keep wobbling it till they come off. So this one, just move, just get your hand like that, just move backwards and forward like that, pulling it. Oh, come on, so that's all out now. I'll go to the back of the clock. So you've got to show you there, you got there, and there, you got two screws there, look, there in that area. Got two screws over there. One screw up there, one screw up there. You need to take this out first. There's normally a nut underneath, I'll show you. So you got your nut here, look. So under that nut and then the spring will come out in the bar. So will come out in one. And we'll start taking the clock out. Right, I've took the spring off. There's a name on the clock. So, but you see it's filthy inside, you can see inside, look, if it is shade inside, you might be able to see it's filthy inside, look. So, I'll take the clock out. I'm not going to show it out because you know, so you go under there's normally 6 screws, sometimes there's 8, but I should undo all the screws now and the clock will come out. You can see the clock, look. I've took it out, look, it's pretty filthy. Completely filthy. This clock's probably never been cleaned since it was now. I can say. But I'll get it, I'll put it in the cleaner. We'll see what it's like when it's been gone in the cleaner and comes out. So your close up, look, all this filth in there, look. It's all cleaned. And so it looks like it's all done. Right, I'll let the spring down now. What I've got a piece of wood with a groove in, look. The key goes in. Piece of wood to move the bar. And I'll show you as I go along. Just move that. So I'll put it between my legs, because the reason I put it between my legs, because then you got your pendulum goes on. You got a gap then. And I can do it on my legs easier. So if I put the key in now. The wood on. Onto the key. Piece of wood there, look. See what I do is turn it. You need really, what I do is got 2 here. I've got to try and hold the clock and do it. I'll just do a turn first. Oh, it's turned it. Oh, just turn it up. You can use your hands, but when it's tight. Just let it go. In your hands, so you turn it in your hands, the wood in your hands, you turn it slowly. You see how much tension's in the spring, look. Just turn it bit at the top of your hands. Oh. Just clicked out the way, so normally you use a piece of wood to hold it out the way. See, that one's done. So just clicked out the way. I don't know if it's going to do the same, I don't know. So let's put the key on. Move forward so you can see it better. Put a piece of wood on it. So if you look at the cog here, look, so what you want to do is just get slightly back, look like that, so then you can push that out. So I can use my fingers because I'm good at them. You know what I mean? But if you're not sure, just use a piece of wood. I'll show you. A piece of wood like that, look. You see that one, that one's done is clicked up so that well, but you normally just put a piece of wood on there after you want to use the old piece of wood on, and then you use your 2 hands to turn it down with a key. Slowly. So the tension's all off now. So what I'm going to do then, I'll get my screwdriver. So now them out of the way. Now you can feel it because it's down now, look, so it's down, there's no tension on the spring, look. No tension on the spring, so see if we can do this. I mean, this is enormous, there's a slot there, a slot there. You can normally undo the, sometimes you just got one screw on with a plate on like that. I mean, she's going straight across normally, under the plate. and you can get the springs out. So it's going to be done. Always have a tub for your stuff. So I've got a tub for all my stuff in the tub. Always use a magnetized screwdriver. You should plastic. Always remember how you do it. See how the plate comes off, look. See that was a grooving, so it comes off and that'll come off. Let's get it off now. See that one's off now, look, off. So you always remember. Right off. And the cogs, then these cogs should slide up. Like that, look. I'm not sure, because normally these come off. Maybe because that much crap on it, it's struggling to come off a bit. So look, see it come off. See, look, all the shit there, look. Oh, shit on the cog. Normally these come off. Just normally. Just move that out of the way. Oh, that's it, it's out. So it's nicely out. This must be on solid. Normally that should come out. No problem, if you don't notice to me. I'll clean it all anyway, so let's get the next one out. But normally normally them cogs there come off. Take them off in the spring because for some reason these are not. So I'm going to out of the way for now. Sometimes you wind the clock and there's a bit of tension there. Sometimes that spring there's got well, that's out now. So there. So you see that out now. So I'll give this clock, put the clock in the clean and the springs, clean it all the springs. Let me see how we get. So that's got to come down a bit. See, I've just bent that slightly, so that's got to come down. So it's holding that, look, all that. Oh, just make sure that one's holding that one all that. Right. I'm going to put in the stuff now. I'm going to put it in the stuff now. That's the stuff I use. I paid £28 for it. And if you look at the clock, I mean, we're outside now, because you've got to do it inside, but look, it's filthy. So I'm going to stir the stuff up now, and I'm going to put it in. I'll show you put it in. Right, so I'll give it a quick stir, look, so I'm going to put the clock in. Not able to me, I mean, I've had my hands it off. Don't affect me, put it in with the clock. Put the springs in. Put the spring in. You might see a bit something happening. You can see it's just making a bit of a I'll probably leave it 2 to 3 hours and then I'll come back and we'll check it in about say it's done in an hour to an hour and a half, and then we'll keep it long. Probably going to take 3 or 4 hours to do that. So well, the clock's in the stuff now. I'm going to get the case, put it inside the clock, clean the outside when the clock's back in the April. What I normally do. You see the difference, I mean, it's filthy, look. Yeah. How much filth in there. See, look how much filth's come off. So I'll give it a quick wipe over. Find a bit of clean bit. Just get a quick wipe over. You see how filthy it is. And what I do with the bottom, the same with the bottom. I just put most of this grime out myself, look. That's how much grime's in there. Some more. I'll pause video so I'll show you when I've finished. I'll get a clock of clean. I'm just going to wax it now. I've got some wax here. So, put some wax inside, look. Just stops the wood drying out. Just stops the wood drying out. Gives you an idea. Just stops the wood drying out, see. I'll wax the outside and all. This is a clue. Once it dries, all the way down until I've finished. Now I use wet wipes to clean the. I'll just give a case a quick wipe out of them. Wet wipes. I'll grime off it before I wax it. That gives you an idea. Look how much stuff's come off. I'll bore you with the rest of the video, so I'll wipe it all down and I'll show you when I've cleaned it all. There's one thing out with clocks is when they're painted. There's one thing out with clocks is when they paint the deck out the room. They don't move the clocks, so they got clock and paint the clocks. Now normally I use a wet wipe to show you, so you see the paint there, look. There's two ways I can get it off. I'll try the wet wipe first. If the wet wipe don't work, I'll show you what else I use. That's the other stuff I use, circulated spirits. Because if it's emulsion, comes off with the wet wipes. If it's normal paint, you might have to scrape it off. I'll show you where I've got most of it off at the moment. See there, look, I've got most of it off. There's some stuff over white over there, so I'll scrape it off and show you when I'm finished. So look what I normally get a piece of wood like that. Just gently scrape it off. Now use a scraper. The wood tool's not too bad. Get most of it off. And when I wax it all up, scrape it and give it a wipe over. Wet wipe. You never get it all off. Of course, it's just coming off now, look. This clock's not too bad because there's not that much. So that's all gone now. There's a little bit there. A little bit there. You never get it perfect, but get the best you can. So there's a little bit there, like you can see on the camera, there's a little bit. That's just so. The next video I'll be showing the clock in the stuff so you can have a look. That's what I use is a normal lolly pop stick to get the paint off. Comes off quite easy. A lolly pop stick. So I've got my all paint off now. Might be the odd spot that I miss, but I'll rub it again. There's a little piece. There, look, you know. Little piece there. So, there's a little piece there, look. Just because once you got all the paint off, and what I do, I use But when I wax the clock, I'll put the clock back in and wax it, I'll show you when it's all finished, so you can have a better look. Just going to give the clock a quick wax, but I'm just going to do a bit so you can see. I'll do the door first. So what I normally do, she'll be waxing up like that. It dries out. So I just do a bit here, I'll show you how I do it. I'll do it down by the bottom. So what I'm going to do is put the wax on, like this. What it's doing is protecting them so the wood dry now. Imagine Mars, never put a clock by the radiator. Never put a clock by the radiator. So what do that. I get a bit of tissue. Tissue. Just do a quick tissue. Rubbing it in more in case you missed any. I don't know if you see on the camera better. I'll show you the place where I've done it and the place that I haven't. With the camera, just do a light on. Just bring the camera here. So I've done the door there, look. And I've done that piece, you can see the piece in there, look where I've done it. Where I ain't done it. So, alright, so I'm going to try to have a look at the clock. Now, so I'll get the clock to get stuff, see what it looks like. When you wax the top of the clock, you might be able to see the difference, and you might not be able to be able to see the difference, but you might be able to see the difference. So you just get the wax on like that, look. So just a demonstration thing, so I'll just give you a quick how I do it. The brush, no that. You can wipe it out down if you miss a bit, because you can wipe it with a cloth anyway. On the side there, look. I'll just get a bit of tissue. Some of you like, some of you I prefer to use tissue. What you do is just take, you can see you've covered everything. And if you can see on the camera, I'll do the front now. Oh, I'll do the front. It's really, really dry. That's what happens to the clocks. You can tell the clock's dry anyway, but it looks really dried out. All you're doing is protecting it. Protecting the clock. I'm going to put a lot on, just put a bit on. Spread it all out like that, look. Now we get a bit on the fingers, you can wipe that off anyway. Fresh piece for this. Tissue. Not about as for the camera, but this is looking nice now. Looking nice. Tissue come off to do the job. I'll do inside or outside the whole lot. If I show you one, I'll show you one that's completely dried out. Look, got one here. Look, you see it's just dried out, completely dried out. Now I'll just do an example. I'll show you a piece. Not that piece there. Look, this is just a downer clock, so I'm not gonna do anything with this clock. But if you just put it down there, look there. Difference it makes, look. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It's only down o'clock, so it ain't. Just show. Now you can see that, look for the camera. Now you can see that. That's that side. That's that side. Makes a difference. Doesn't make a difference. So if you do it on this bit here, look, so I do off on here, look. Just do a bit, so you can see it. Don't be very much to put on. Take it all off anyway. So you maybe put it on. You can leave it for 5-10 minutes if you want, and take it off. Can you see the difference where I've done it? There, look, where I've done it and where I ain't done it. It's a lot brighter and shining, cleaner. So let's go and get the clock out of the stuff. Oh, it's on the outside in the sunshine. I'll just check it out. It's about an hour. Right, see what it's like. I mean, that's after an hour. Look at the difference. Hour. So what you normally do there is you get the brush for shade. You've got a couple of brushes, like a brush, toothbrush. And I'll give it a quick powder. Get the normal brush. A bit of the toothbrush in. Give it a quick powder. In a bit longer, but as you can see the difference now, straight away. Difference. A lot cleaner. I've been on a bit longer. Pulled for about another hour, so a couple of years. That brings a lot, look. Have a quick wipe over. You have to get all the water out. You have to get all the water out. Dip, 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 dip. A lot cleaner. I'll do about another hour and I'll come back. Scary. Before I'm going to have to turn the camera off with the wood. Right, I'll leave the wax spinning for about a couple of hours now. Look. You can see, look how clean it is. But just wants a bit, I'd say put a bit of brush now, look. A bit of brush. You can see all the stuff coming off, look. I see all the stuff, look. still some bits in there. I'll give it a bit longer. I'll put it in for a bit longer. Makes a lot, see, look, a lot cleaner. And I'll put it a bit longer. Watch it off there, look. Where the springs bit. The one was really filthy. That one was really filthy there. Clean all the holes off. I think I'll leave it a bit longer. You see there, look, there's a bit of stuff there, so we'll put it on for a bit longer and a bit on the arm. Look. I'm going to give it another hour. That's probably about 3 hours in maximum. I'll put it in for another hour and see how it goes. Yep. Right. I've cleaned all the clock now. Come out really good, really nice and clean. So what I'm going to do, you got your springs here, look, your springs. So the holes there, look, so I'm going to put some oil in the holes, in the 3 holes. I'll use a little brush. Don't have to get a bit on the clock itself, you can wipe that off. See, look, drop some in, look, like that. So the spring's got a bit of oil in it there. That's soaking for a bit. Next one. There. And we'll do the excess and I'll wipe off. What I normally do before I put the clock in, you got the pivot there, look, the pivot. Show you there, the pivot. I normally just put a bit of oil on there before I put it in. A bit of oil and then a bit of oil in there like that. Just a bit of oil in there before I put it in. I'll wipe off the tissue. So I'll wipe off the excess off the screen, top. You can see that now. If the oil soaking in the springs, so I'm going to put the springs back in the clock. Now what you have to watch you don't do is when you got your thing there, look, your hammer and your what's in there, look. Your hammer, look. So what you got to watch you don't do is when you put it down, or lay down, bend that or bend that. So what I normally do is use the I'll get like a tub and just put it into the tub. Let's put that right like that. So I'll put it in the tub like that, looks so it's balanced. Then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold the clock. So I'll hold the clock. What I could jug like that, like that. Show the oil, look. I'll just tap that on there, look. Now what we do is go across. So you start off here. You want a little bit of oil in there, look. A bit of oil in there. What do I go across like that, so I don't. So you don't miss it too much on there. Keep tapping, so then you see how much you got on there. You just drop it on. Tapping, you see, just a little drop on the thing. Don't actually go without, you can always put on the so when you first take it out, look, you can see how much is on there, look. You can tap it or just wipe it on the thing like that, look. You got it just enough to put on. Just enough to put on the cock. So you want to do is check every cock, so you're going across. Now there's one underneath that wheel there, look. Underneath there. That one. There's one on this side. That's great. That side. Always check them as you go along. Just a bit on that, look. I'll come back to the wait. Do all them, all that, all that. I don't ever put. I'll put a little drop on that little wheel there underneath. In there. The rest I don't do. When I do the hands, put a bigger block on the hands, look. For the hands go on, just put a bit on. And what I'll do then, just get round all that, like you said, just move that up and down all that, look. Then they all go in. A bit more. I'm going to put the springs back in. Make sure you get, they're all about identical. What I normally do. And I'll say that one there's, because the one was fully wet, so say the butterfly should be identical. So what I normally do, I'll show you before I put it in. Get a little brush, and I'll back this off, and I'll just give that a quick roll on around that. And then around the bottom bit, there, look. So you can see, turn that around so you can see it. Oh, that's where we are. Put a little bit in there, look. Brush. I'll put it in now. Turn that around so you can see better. Getting that tug in there. Out of the way. Fiddly buggers. Once you get it going in. Right. Check if it's in the hole. Keep looking, make sure it's in. That's not in the hole. Now I'm going to check now. Pull it out the way. Oh, that's in now. That's dropped in. That's all level. Pause video while I do the other one and I'll show you how I've done it. Right, put the springs in. I'll put the bar on here, look. And that was the underneath the cog there out. So underneath there, put that in, look. Get me screwdriver. Always use a magnetized screwdriver. easier. It holds the screw and then you screw it. Do it gently, make sure you don't refed it. And look, mate, it's fine, look, it just holds the, I don't know if you can see that, just allow the screw, look. Holds the screw. Tight. I'll just hold that there. So now what I normally do is push in my lap, in between my legs and my lap. So I normally do it, if you look at the previous video. Right, so I'll put that back on there. So what I want to do now is turn it over. Or the other side. This is not too bad because you sit that like that, look. What you want to try and do is do it level. So I'll put a piece of wool under. Try and get levelish. That's a bit too. What I'll do, I'll put it back in there. Put it in the tub. On the tub. So again, when you're all, you want to just put a little bit in. So I'll start at the top. If you're not sure you ain't put enough in, just take some more, just put a little bit more in. Right, and then what you do there, so you want to go across like that, so you don't miss one. You take this brush here so it makes it easier. Start there for that. Good. You just have a look at the hole in there, look. Just like that, just flick it off the time. See, a lot of people put down. A lot of people miss this one that's behind the. Ain't got to bother all of them, so. Oh, that one and all that one. The two screens, I'm going to put them back in. Always check, remember what you're doing. No, now full well. I don't put a hole in that one. So I've hold it all up. Check again, remember how many you're done. If you're unsure, you just soak it. Sure, a bit. Hold. Check. So let me look for the magnifying glass. You leave it like that for about 5 or 10 minutes now, so they all soaks into the well. So I'll leave that now, it's soaking, and I'll come back. So I'll put the clock back in the case, put the hands on, give it a quick wind up. Now when you wind the clock, so you go like that. When you start to feel it get tension up, adjust the dongle because it's fairly starting to get tight. It's best not to, because when you get the clock, you know how much to wind it. Right. Oh yeah, that's just a spring, so not to worry. As long as you've got tension on the old, on these cogs here, look, you've got tension. You can hear it, look. Clock's ready to set. Now what you're trying to do now, you put the little hand on, so you're not sure where the clock is. So what you're trying to do is try and get the dong. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7. So good guess that was. You say it was 8. You just move that to 8 o'clock. Just move that on to the 7. So that's 7 o'clock. If you heard, then you could hear the dongle. They sound right. I'll tell you that. I'll show you. So I put it back in so them. Right. If you see, right, you can see that the dongle is right on top of the spring. So when it's donging, look, make it a. So you can either adjust that. So you can bring that down a bit to bring this down a bit. But I find it's just easy, just your finger just bend it a little bit. But so that's it probably needs bringing down a bit. I need to bring this because I've adjusted it a bit, but it's not. See how far it's out. Look, see if you pull that out of the way. Look, see. That's how much it's got to come down. So I'll adjust it down and I'll show you. It's just the Smith, let that Smith finish off. Right. So if I show you now, so you can adjust this, look. Show you now, I can readjust it. So I've adjusted it now. So I'm going to put it back in the clock, check it first, if it's close, and tighten the ball up. Right, sort the dongle out. Get the dongle. Big. Any dong with dongs should continuously dong. Should let it ring down to the hour. This should still keep ringing. Right, now I'm going to do the balance on the clock. Now, when you bring the camera now, I'll suppose you bring the camera now. Because what happens, people sometimes move the clock and leave the pendulum on. Never move the clock with the pendulum on. So your balance is here, look, if you watch it, look, it's trying to go. stop it. So you just check either side up, push it either side. See, you might just have to just move it just a touch and try it. So if you're the wrong way, you go less. You won't touch. Just give it less. So you know you got to get to the, you know you're in the left and just give it less. So you got to get back to the right. So look at touch. Just a touch. You just get it just right. He's trying to get. I just check on it. I don't see as much movement in the old have a look. Seems to be. Sometimes if you move it, lift the clock up, the bars could be out. So I might have to so just lift the clock up a touch. We had a good flat surface. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the pendulum on. Put the pendulum on. I can move the spring out of the way, but I don't bloody bother. Let's move the spring out for this one now. Move the spring out of the way. Oh, it's awkward when you're trying to film and right. Back. That does sound right. It should stop. But that gives you the idea sort of what you've got to do. Which you know when it's like you let it tick in nicely. So I hope this video helps people out. I mean, it might take me 20 minutes, might take me half hour to get the balance right, to get it running right. So thank you for watching the video, and I will be posting some more videos on the clock.